Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I have a project to share with you that's made just for fun. By flipping the paper, that is designer series paper, I can get all new results with some really fun little card play. I'm going to stamp with Animal Outing, and I'm only going to stamp the sentiment. The large images will be from the Animal Expedition Designer Series paper. I've taken two different pieces here and just cut some strips and cut them down into rectangles. I have to give credit to the actual design of this project for the Inspire Create challenges. I was inspired by them, as always, to create a card that is just for fun with DSP, and I love playing with pattern paper in different ways. So I'd like to show you that by taking two different pieces of paper and flipping the sides over, they will complement each other. So the sloth and the giraffe look like one side, and it's this very fun, quirky orange print on the other side. And I can shuffle up those papers and get different results. So I'm going to give some body to the project by giving a couple of layers of cardstock. So I want the images to actually be something that can be seen and recognized. So I shuffled those little pieces just enough to where I can see one of the actual animals be in the spotlight of that particular quadrant of the card. One reason I particularly like how this project worked up is because even if I cut the squares a little wonky, it's okay. I can overlap them just a little bit and they're going to not be able to be seen in the finished project. I also included some of this really fun leaf ribbon, and I think I've shared with you all that my kids absolutely adore this ribbon. So I'm thinking this might be a really good way to create some teacher cards, because if my kids like it, then odds are the teachers will like what my kids like, and I can get them to write a nice little note on the inside to their teachers as summer school is coming to a close. My boys both go to school for about a month or a month and a half in the middle of the summertime here in the United States, and those teachers are just a godsend. We absolutely love them. By placing the sentiment on a little punched out circle, I'm able to echo the color of the card in these neutral tones. Just use a little liquid glue and put it here in the middle. It's really a no fuss card, and you can see how quickly two cards were put together in just no time at all. So if you have yourself in a surplus of designer series paper or pattern paper, this could be one idea to use to get some very quick and very beautiful cards too. This pattern paper is designed by people that know what they're doing more than I do, so I admire their artwork. I'm going to put the kangaroo with koala on the inside, and then on the front of each card I'm just grabbing a random sequin from this metallic set. Any color will go with this. It's such a fun and vibrant set of cards. Today will be the last day of Stampin' Up's buy 3 get 1 free designer series paper sale. I chose this paper because it is on the sale, and if you would like to get a free pack of pattern paper, then I invite you to shop in my online store. Go over to jennyhalldesign.com and click on Shop Now. There will be more information in the post about this, and you can use the host code to get yourself a free gift too. If you have any questions about shopping in my store, just write me a comment, or you can email me at jennystampsup@gmail.com. Thanks again for joining me for today's tutorial. I'll see you again on Thursday. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.